Welcome to another TelcoCentric tutorial. My name is Ash and I'll be guiding you through today's content. In this video, we'll get started with version 18 and walk you through getting the desktop client up and running. Depending on your circumstances, either TelcoCentric or your internal IT or management team may have access to the 3CX backend. From here, navigate to Users, select the required users, and send the welcome email. Once you receive the welcome email, note your extension number and copy the provided password. Ensure you don't copy the space at the end. Click through to the web client and enter your credentials. Fantastic! You've just entered the web client. Downloading the new desktop client is a simple process. Simply navigate to the bottom left Apps button, and from there select from the options iOS, Android, or in this case, the Windows desktop app. Select this option. Click Install on the pop-up, download, and run the installation wizard. Great, your installation process is complete. Now to provision, simply click Provision and then open 3CX desktop app on the pop-ups. All done, the desktop client is up and running. In our next video, we'll show you how to navigate the interface, including basic call handling, customizing your BLFs, headset setup, using the desktop client with a desk phone, and more. As always, our support team is ready to assist should you have any difficulties. I've been your host Ash, and I'll see you next time.